People, big up on yourself, Jamaica. Good night. Yo, we just watched Jamaica versus Trinidad. And we understand Jamaica game plan. Trinidad need to win. Jamaica not necessarily have to win, but a win would have the good for it. You see me? So we are hold back. I want them to attack and then we can counter attack if anything. We see some boom people. And the first goal I score, me no feel say that offside. Because I put it on my status that Jamaica go win 2-0. The first goal I score, me no feel say that offside. But yeah, them say offside, so we can't fight that. VAR say offside, so we can't fight that. We hold out for the first half, we play good. Defense stand firm. And we go in the second half. Come out in the second half, a ball, I do we think. We score a goal. And we did do good when we scored the goal. Me nah lie, we did do good a whole out and all them thing there. With that whole out show perseverance, say we can bring this through with the one goal. But me know so one goal was never enough. No. Why me really do that video, bro? You have a youth name, Whisper. Whisper. Me don't know if I'm 19 or I'm a 20-year-old. But he look like I'm about 6'2 or 6'3. Whisper. I'm going to say his name again 3 times. Whisper. 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 Whatever Richard's name or what you want name, me know him as Whisper. You are going to tell me, say no, Jamaica lead 1-0. About 20 minutes left in the game. And you make a substitution and put on a 19-year-old or if I'm a 20-year-old on the field. A Chelsea academy player. And the man go on the field and have no impact on the field, brother. If you are 6'2", me I say I'm about 6'2", a Chelsea academic player, and you go on the field and play like a diva. The man go on the field and play like a diva. One chance foot roll up. Him no want tackle. He when him get the ball before him try push down the wing and get some cross in the box. He man just a move like a diva on the field, bro. Me see why him can't get a start in his side. Because as soon as them boy I feel like they make a little money, they feel like they're on top of the world. So they don't want to be a patriot and give them all for them country. The man go on the field and look like a little diva. Whisper for go. Him not need to get a call up for the next game. Or if we are going to win the next game, him not to get a call up for Jamaica. Whisper for go. Them boy they are diva. I rest my case right there. So I see why him and Leon Bailey come from the same camp. I told diva them. That's why I'm Leon Bailey then I see him camp. Them are diva. Them feel like everything depend them. They are being foot bottom and them is king and they don't want to work. Bailey not so bad. But Whisper, you don't achieve nothing yet. And you play like a little diva. Like you're Walter Boyd. No day them boy can come in a Walter Boyd shoes or Whitmore shoes. Or baby shoes. The man go up on the field and look like a little like a big me no want to say a word. But you look like a big boy. Whisper for go. You're 19-year-old or 20-year-old and you go up on the field and you don't have no impact. You should have run up in the box. Even get a penalty. Man, bro. Yo, Whisper for go. That me I make you know.